video is just going over basic area and perimeter for a square. So this is something that you're definitely expected to know. So this question is saying calculate the area of the following square, but you're supposed to know that that just means that all of these sides are the same, okay, because it's a square. And area is measuring the inside. So when you do the area, you're just doing the side length squared, or you can consider it base times height, but like really the base and height are the same number. So here you're doing 7 squared, which is just 7 times 7. So the area is going to be 49. And the units in this, when you do 7 meters times 7 meters, it becomes meters squared. So every time you have area, the units are in the units squared, okay? So when you do perimeter though, perimeter is adding up the outsides. So it didn't ask you for perimeter in this question, but if they asked you the perimeter, then you would be doing like 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. So it would be 7 times 4, which is 28, and that would just be in meters, okay? So only area is in meters squared. I want you to realize that for your exam, there's a very high chance that they wouldn't just ask you to do the area of a square. It would either be some kind of composite shape, or if there was a question about the area of the square, it's more likely that they would tell you that the area is 49 meters squared, and you would have to figure out what the side length is. So another one would be if I had a square and I tell you that the area is 144 meters squared, you would have to know that that means that you do the square root of 144. So to a number that you multiply by itself to get 144, and the side length would be 12 meters, okay? So that's something that you need to be able to do for your exam. You should know those for your times table, but for whatever reason, if you're not sure of it, if you do have a scientific calculator, then you should have a button somewhere that has a little check mark sign like this, and that would do the square root for you. So if you did square root of 144 equals, it will tell you that it's 12, but you're responsible for knowing your times tables, so you should know that 12 times 12 is 144. Okay, so area of a square, we're also going to look at the area of other quadrilaterals and triangles for the grade 7 exam. For the grade 8 exam, you also have to know area of many different polygons, so you have to be able to do the polygon formula. Again, that's only for grade 8. All right, so the next one we're going to do is area of a rectangle.